Welcome back to our channel, Journey to Wellbeing. Today, we're focusing on a key goal many of us share: losing 8 pounds safely and sustainably in a month. If you're looking to enhance your health and fitness, you're in the right place. The general consensus in weight loss research suggests a gradual and steady approach, often recommending a loss of around 1 to 2 pounds per week as safe and sustainable. This translates to approximately 4 to 8 pounds per month. However, it's important to note that individual factors such as health status, body composition, and lifestyle must be considered when determining a safe and sustainable rate of weight loss. Before embarking on your transformative fitness journey, it's crucial to remember one key step: consult with a healthcare provider if you have any health concerns. With safety in mind, let's ignite your weight loss adventure. Here are 5 dynamic exercises designed to energize your body and accelerate your path to wellness. Get ready to dive into a world of fitness that's not just effective, but truly exhilarating. Let's start with brisk walking. It's simple, yet incredibly effective. Aim for a pace that elevates your heart rate but still allows you to hold a conversation. Walking engages your core and lower body muscles, improving cardiovascular health and burning calories. Try to incorporate at least 30 minutes of brisk walking into your daily routine. It's a fantastic way to start or end your day, clear your mind, and boost your metabolism. Next, cycling. Whether you're outdoors or using a stationary bike, cycling is an excellent way to burn calories and improve heart health. It's particularly great for toning your legs, glutes, and core while being gentle on your joints. Aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes of cycling at a moderate intensity. You can vary your pace and resistance to keep the exercise challenging and engaging. Swimming is a superb low-impact, full-body workout. It not only helps in burning a significant number of calories but also improves muscle strength and endurance. Different strokes target different muscle groups, making it a versatile workout. Incorporate at least 30 minutes of swimming into your routine, 3 times a week, for optimal benefits. It's especially good for those with joint issues or who prefer a refreshing, cooling form of exercise. Strength training shouldn't be overlooked. It's not just about building muscles, it's crucial for increasing your metabolic rate. This means you'll burn more calories, even when you're not exercising. Focus on major muscle groups using weights, resistance bands, or bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups. Aim for at least 2 full-body strength training sessions per week, each lasting about 30 minutes. Jump rope, an underrated yet highly effective exercise. It's a high-intensity workout that improves cardiovascular fitness, coordination, and burns a high number of calories in a short time. Start with short intervals of 1 to 2 minutes and gradually increase as you build stamina. Even 10 to 15 minutes of jump rope can provide a substantial workout, making it perfect for those with limited time. Incorporating these exercises into your routine, alongside a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle choices, can significantly contribute to your weight loss goal of 8 pounds in a month. Consistency and patience are your best allies on this journey. Embarking on a weight loss journey can be challenging, but remember, every step you take is a step towards better health and well-being. Your body can withstand almost anything, it's your mind that you have to convince. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips, and join us as we continue our journey to well-being. Here's to achieving your goals and feeling your best.